Welcome to 621 Southwest Estate Avenue. This beautifully updated concrete block home was built in 2007 and is situated on just over a quarter of an acre. The new kitchen cabinets feature pull-out drawers, a lazy Susan, a pull-out spice rack, and a pull-out garbage compartment. The spacious main suite is complete with a walk-in closet and an updated vanity. Floor plan places the second bath and 2 additional bedrooms opposite of the main suite. A new roof was installed in 2022, a water heater in 2021, and the AC was new in 2018. Contact us for more info.